Mayday, Mayday, United 28, United 328 Heavy, Mayday, Mayday aircraft.
328 Heavy, say again, please, read all that again.
Yeah, United Denver, departure, United 328 Heavy, Mayday aircraft, just experienced engine failure, need a turn immediately.
328 Heavy, left or right turn?
Hey, can you grab Josie?
Why?
So that she doesn't get hit by something.
It's all going that way.
This guy is fine.
Are these?
I saw the plane engine sputter, and then I saw things.
Mayday, Mayday, United 28, United 328 Heavy, Mayday, Mayday aircraft.
328 Heavy, say again, please, read all that again.
Yeah, United Denver, departure, United 328 Heavy, Mayday aircraft, just experienced engine failure, need a turn immediately.
328 Heavy, left or right turn?